Welcome to Yoga with Karishma. I'm Karishma and this is my yoga practice. Today I'm a little low on energy and I have a lot of things to do around the house. So today's practice will be a total body workout to bring in some good energy to your body. So get into something comfortable and meet me right here. I like to set intentions for my practice, and today my intention is to just bring in good energy. And I like to encourage you to do the same as well. Just set your own intention, whatever you want to achieve through this practice. It's always nice to have that intention in mind to follow throughout your practice. We'll start at a comfortable seated position and we'll start with a couple of deep inhale and exhale. So take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs and your belly with energy, and out through your nose, tucking your tummy in as you exhale. We'll do this a couple of more times. So deep breath in through your nose, expanding your chest and your belly, and out through your nose, squeezing your belly in. And see where the tension is in your body, where there's laziness in your body, and breathe energy to those areas. And follow the journey of your breath in and out of your body. In through your nose, expanding your chest, expanding your heart, and out through your nose, tucking your belly in and releasing all the tensions. And whenever you feel settled and grounded, we'll start in all four. So bring your palms under your shoulders and your knees under your hips, and we'll do a few rounds of Chakravakasana. And we'll take a deep breath in, relaxing our shoulders, relaxing your back, and make sure your back is not arching. And on exhale, we'll round our back, pull your belly in, and bring your hips to your thighs and your forehead to the mat. Again, inhale, expanding your chest, we'll come all the way to all four. And exhale, round your back and go all the way back to child's pose. Inhale back up and follow the pace of your own breath. You can go as slow as you want to. Inhale, exhale, round your back and go all the way down. Inhale all the way up. From here, we'll go to a little Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. So we'll go down on the mat or lie on your stomach with your palms under your shoulder and your feet tucked to the ground, and put your forehead on the mat. Take a deep exhale, and on inhale, lift your chest up, lift from your back and your chest. Make sure your shoulder is relaxed, and make sure you're not using your palms to lift your body up. And on exhale, slowly come down. This posture is really good for your back and it brings a lot of blood flowing through your spine. Inhale, lift up through your chest, expanding your chest and compressing your spine. And exhale, slowly come down. We'll do this a couple of more times. Inhale, bring all the energy in, expand your chest. Feel that tightness on your back, feel that compression, and exhale, slowly come down. We'll go to a down dog, up dog flow. So from here, you'll tuck your toes in, and then we'll lift all your body up and bend at your hip to go to up down dog. And make sure your shoulders are relaxed and your back is straight, and you can bend your knees a little bit if you need to make sure your back is not stressed. And on inhale, we'll go to up dog. So bring your body down and then expand your chest as you go up. And exhale, back to down dog. Inhale to up dog. Expand your chest as you inhale. Exhale to down dog. And you can feel the stretch on the back of your legs and back of your calf as you do down dog. And inhale, slowly going to up dog. Expanding your chest. And you'll feel compression on your back. Exhale to down dog. And inhale to up dog. Once we're done, we'll go to down dog one more time and then we'll transition to standing. So exhale to down dog and slowly walk your feet and hands together to go to a forward fold. Here we'll relax our head and our shoulders a little bit. Just hang in there for a couple of breaths. And you can feel the stretch at your back and the back of your legs all through the body. And make sure your neck and shoulder is relaxed. Once you're done with a couple of breaths here, we'll take a deep breath in as we sweep all the way up. And on exhale, we'll bring our hands to our sides and relax. And again, take a couple of deep breaths just to bring your attention back to your breath, just to bring your focus back to the posture and to the intention that you set at the beginning of this practice. From here, we'll do Utthita Trikonasana or the lateral triangle pose. So we'll stand with our feet hip distance apart or slightly wider than our hip distance apart. Our left hand externally rotated and our right toes pointing towards the front of the mat. We'll sweep our arms up on an inhale and on an exhale, we'll laterally bend at our hip, slightly bending our knees, bringing our shoulder down and our right hand going slightly under the right knees. So inhale, sweep your arms up and exhale, bend laterally, bringing your right hand under your right knees. And on next inhale, sweep your left arms up and over your head towards the front of the mat. And feel the stretch on the left side of your body. Take a deep breath in here. Deep breath out. And on next inhale, come back to starting. We'll do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in here. And on exhale, bend at your hip, bringing your hands down. And on inhale, sweep your arms up over your head towards the front of the mat. And make sure your knees are not going beyond your toes and your shoulders and your muscles are relaxed. And on next inhale, come back to starting. The last round, take a deep breath in here. And on exhale, bend from your hip, bringing your hand down to the sides of your right leg. And on inhale, sweep your arms up all the way up and over your head towards the front of the mat. Take a few breaths here. And on next exhale, come all the way up to starting. And we'll do this on the left side as well. Same thing, point your left feet towards the back of the mat. Externally rotate your right hand. Deep breath in and sweep your left hand up. And as you exhale, bend at your hip towards the left side of the mat. And on inhale, sweep your arms up over your head, pointing towards the back of the mat. Take a few breaths here, feeling the stretch on the sides of your body. And on your next inhale, come back to starting. We'll do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Make sure your shoulders is relaxed and your back is relaxed. And on exhale, bend at your hip, bringing your hands slightly below your knees. And on inhale, bring your hands over your head towards the back of your mat. And again, feel the stretch all over your body, on your legs, on the sides of your body. Take a few breaths here. And on next inhale, come back to starting. Last one. And on exhale, bring your body down. And next inhale, sweep your arms up and over your head. Inhale, come back to starting. From here, we'll do Ardha Uttanasana or the chair pose. So bring your feet together. This one is really good for building strength in your legs and on your lower back. Take a deep breath in and sweep your arms up. And on an exhale, We'll bring our hip down, bend at our knees, and make sure your back is straight again. And sit as if we're sitting on a chair. And you can do anything with your hands. You can bring your palms together and bring it to your chest. You can leave it open, or you can bring it in front of you. Inhale, we'll go all the way up. And exhale, sit back on the chair. And make sure your knees are not going beyond your toes. Feel a really good stretch on the back of your thighs. This is really good for strengthening your back and strengthening your legs. You can inhale up. And exhale, sit back. Inhale up. And exhale, sit back. Now we'll stay here for a couple of breaths. And make sure you're bringing your focus back to your breath. And try and make it longer and deeper every time. And whenever you're ready, on an inhale, slowly come up. We'll do Virabhadrasana now, or the Warrior One pose. We'll bring our right leg in front, slightly wider than the hip distance. And this posture again really strengthens your back and your leg, and it opens up your chest and brings in a lot of energy. So we'll bring our palms together on our chest. And on inhale, we'll expand our chest, bringing the shoulder blades together while we're slightly bending our knees. And inhale back to center. Inhale, expand. And exhale, slowly come back to center. And again, make sure your muscles is relaxed, your shoulder relaxed, your back relaxed, and your hip is straight. Inhale, expand your chest. Invite positive energy, fill your lungs with air. And exhale, come back to center. Just one more time on this side. Inhale as you go down. And exhale, back to center. We'll bring our feet together. We'll do a couple of rounds of Uttanasana or forward fold. This is again really good for bringing in energy or energizing your body and making the blood flow through your body. So on inhale, sweep your arms up, relaxing your shoulders, making sure your back is straight. And on exhale, we'll extend our spine to the front of the mat as we go halfway down and round our back as we go all the way down. Again, inhale, sweep your arms up. And exhale, fold forward. And you can bend your knees if you want to make sure that your back is not strained. Inhale all the way up. And this time as we go down on an exhale, we'll stay there. And we'll slowly transition to the mat. So we'll go slowly to kneeling. And again, making sure our palms are under our shoulders and your knees under your hip. And we'll do a few rounds of Chakravakasana again. So take a deep breath in. And on an exhale, round your back and bring your hips to your heels and your forehead to the mat, your chest to your thighs. Inhale up. And exhale back to child's pose, and this time we'll stay there. And we'll focus on our breath now and bring our attention back to our breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and follow the journey of your breath throughout your body and out through your nose. If your thoughts had gone wandering, we'll bring it back to your breath. Slow and deep breath. See where the tension is in your body. Breathe energy to those muscles. And whenever you're ready, we'll slowly transition to the supine position or lying down on your mat. So on inhale, slowly come back up to all four. And very gently, we'll lie on our back. We'll do Urdhva Prasarita Padasana. For this one, we'll lie flat on our back, palms facing down. We'll lift our legs, our lower leg parallel to the mat and our upper leg perpendicular. This asana is really good for your lower back. It really strengthens your lower back and it stretches your legs. And it brings in a lot of energy and it gets your blood flowing from your legs to your upper body. So on inhale, we'll lift our legs up towards the ceiling and make sure it's 90 degrees or less to your body so that there's less strain on your back. And on exhale, we'll slowly bring it down. Inhale up and exhale, slowly bring it down. The longer it takes, better it is. And exhale down. When we're done with 4 reps, we'll do Apanasana or the wind release pose. So for Apanasana, put your palms on your knees as you inhale, and you can relax your lower leg. On exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and make sure you're not pulling it with your hands. And inhale, release. And exhale, bring it in, knees towards your chest, tucking your belly in. And inhale out. And this is again really good for your lower back, and this is actually really good for your digestion as well. It massages all your organs, all your digestive organs. This is really relaxing too. Exhale in and inhale out. When you're done with it, you can get into any position you like. Before we go into Savasana, I like doing happy baby pose, so you'll just hold your feet together with your hand and just roll around like a happy little baby. Relax your shoulders, relax all your muscles and just let go of everything. And when you're ready, you can lie down, close your eyes and we'll get into Savasana. You can take a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your chest, filling your body, your heart with energy. And exhale, tucking your belly in, getting rid of all your tensions and all the negativity in your body. If your thoughts go wandering, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice where there is tension. Relax those muscles. Let your tongue feel heavy on your mouth. Let your body feel heavy on the ground. Relax your eyes, relax your shoulders and your neck. Relax your back. Relax your legs, your hands. There's nowhere else you need to be. There's nothing else that you need to do. And whenever you're ready, slowly turn to one side of the mat. And very slowly come to a seated position or Sukhasana. You can leave your eyes closed or slowly open your eyes. I would like to thank you all for sharing this practice with me and spending your time with me. I really hope this practice was helpful for you. If you like this practice and want to see more, please hit subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see you in our next practice. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Namaste.